What I wish I knew at 18 instead of 28. The basics of finance. Let's dive in. Finance is all about managing money, earning it, spending it, saving it, and investing it. But when we talk about managerial finance, we're focusing on how businesses handle their cash. Effective financial management is crucial for the success of any organization. Managerial finance involves deciding how much money to spend on resources, how to price products or services, and where to invest profits to grow the business. Key components of financial management include planning, controlling, and decision-making. The objectives of financial management are to maximize shareholder wealth, ensure liquidity, and manage risks. Good managerial finance can be the difference between a small business and a thriving enterprise. So, whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or just curious, remember, understanding finance isn't just about numbers. It's about making your money work for you. Now go make those savvy financial moves.